2016 Mazda 6, removing the gear shifter. You can just grab it and pull it up. It's a fair sort of a jerk, but it pulls up. You can unclip it in here if you're not sure about pulling it up. If you go into the top of the button, so you see the white piece inside there, you can push on that and the button comes off like that. So once the button's off out of the road, it is that little wire clip in there, and you just get a little screwdriver like this in underneath it and just pull it out towards you. And once you pull that out, then the knob will just lift up easy. But you can just force it off. Doesn't do anything. There's nothing wrong. Just pull it up. There we are. Button just clip back on and just put it back on and push it down. Oh, button clipped off as I pushed it down. There we are. All done. Simple.